All right, good morning, everybody. Today is a new day, so let's start our calendar lesson. Um, let's see. Let's go ahead and move this from yesterday. Whoops. I do this all the time in the classroom. If I don't change it to the arrow, it writes. All right, so let's move this to today. Okay, today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Library books are due today because hopefully, if you found them, your parents are bringing them to packet pickup later this morning when they come get your packet. When you get your packet from me, Miss All, or Miss Johnson, do not use, or any of your teachers, do not use any of it till tomorrow. Thursday, right here, this is the day we're going to start using the packet. So don't use that stuff. Don't open it yet. Don't color on it. Wait till tomorrow, and your parents or grandparents are going to help you with it. All right, so here's today. Let's count to today and figure out the date. Everybody count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is right. Now remember, you should have some paper and a pencil with you. If you don't have it, pause this video and go get some now. All right? If you have your paper and pencil and you're ready, we are going to write in 18. What color am I going to use? I'm going to use purple. All right. So in 18, you write the 1 first. So a 1 and then an 8. And that is 18. Right there. Say 18. 18. All right, now you should be looking through all these numbers to find the 18 that matches so I can move it to today. If you find it, put your hand on your head. Did you find it? Okay, let's move it. Here it is right here. 18. Let's move it up to today. Now we can say the date together. Ready? Okay. Today is Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. And remember, spring starts in 2 days. On Friday, it's the first day of spring. Now, there is another video posted on Miss Thompson's blog from Miss All. She did a video to update on the chicken eggs. So after calendar, you're going to watch story time, and then you can watch the chicken video and see what's been going on inside the eggs. And then we'll have some new videos later this week. Let's count and see how many days until the chickens hatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12 more days until they are ready to come out of the eggs. That's exciting. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, so here is our calendar, or what? Not our calendar. This is our weather graph. So let's go ahead and figure out what the weather is for today. Yesterday it was rainy. Let's go ahead and look. I'm going to go look out the window. You can go look out the window and be my weather helper at your house too. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, it is actually foggy out there. I don't have a foggy on here, but I do have cloudy, and it is cloudy and foggy. So I think we're going to do cloudy. So let's erase this 4, and we're going to add 1 to our graph for cloudy. This looks like black is what they were using at school. Let's see. Yep. So now we had 4. Look, we had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hold up 4 fingers? Okay, so we had 4. We added 1 today. If you add 4 and 1 together, what do you get? Try to figure that out. What is that now? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you said 5, you were right. Kiss your brain if that's what you said. So let's write a 5. And then I want you to look at this graph for a minute, and I want you to think about something. Look at this graph. What just happened with sunny and cloudy? What are they now? Did you say equal? Good. Or the same? They are equal. They both have 5. What has the least? What type of weather have we had the least of in March? Yes, that would be there's three of them. Partly sunny, snowy, and windy because they all have 0. And yes, those are also equal or the same. Very good. All right, so we are done with weather for today. Now, how many days do we have left in kindergarten? Yesterday it was 50. We are going to take one away because you're doing your schoolwork today, hopefully. Take one of these away right here. All right, now I want you to try to figure out how many days we have left in school. I want you to try to figure it out. I want you to count by tens and then by ones. Remember down here, you can't count this as a 10 because the 10 frame is not full. It's not full. This one you have to count by ones. So try to figure it out before I help you. I'm going to give you a second. Now, if you said, let's see if you, well, actually, before I tell you, let's do it and see if you got it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. If you said 49, you were right. Let's try to write a 49 together. So with a 49, we're going to put a 4 first, and it's going to be red. This is a 4 for the 4 tens we have. Look over here. We had 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put a 4. How many ones did we have? That's right. We had 9. So we are going to write a 9, and that's how we get 49. I hope you wrote 49 on your paper. Hope it looks just like mine. It's like teacher handwriting. Very good. All right, let's keep going. Our snap word of the day. Yesterday's snap word of the day was ball. Let's go ahead and see if we can do our new snap word of the day. Today's snap word of the day is had. Had. Had starts with H. Let's write that. H. Try to write this on your paper. H. A. D. Had. And yes, it is a CVC word. So you can go ahead and kind of use your robot talk if you want and listen for all your sounds. You can say H, A, D, had. Very good job. Very good. All right, let's make a sentence with had. Let's make a sentence with had. Let's figure out what we can say. How about we can put what we had for breakfast. I'm going to write it in, I like purple. I'm going to write it in purple. Let's write, I had a waffle. I had a waffle. That sounds fun. Maybe you didn't have a waffle, but we have waffles here. So, all right. So let's write our sentence. Actually, let's not write our sentence first. Let's go through our steps and then we'll write our sentence. I almost forgot. All right, because we have to learn the snap word first. So the first step is to read it. So let's all say the word had. Had. Good. Now we have to step 2. Study it. All right, let's study it. We already said it was a CVC word, right? So it's consonant, vowel, consonant. What else do we notice? Yep, it has 1 vowel, yep, and 2 consonants. Oh yeah, you're right, and 2 of them are tall letters. 2 are tall letters. No tails. We have no tails, you're right. Whoops. So very good, very good. All right, let's go ahead and spell it. Spell it with me. H-A-D. All right, now you have to write it. So I want you to try to write had by yourself. I'll write it again. H-A-D. Just like that. All right, now let's try to write it. Step 5 is use it. So now we can write our sentence. Now we can write about having a waffle. So first word was I. And that needs to be uppercase because it's an I and it's the first word of a sentence, or it's the word I. So let's make it uppercase. Uppercase I. And then I want you to put a finger space. I had. That's our snap word of the day. Let's try to write it in a snap. I had all right. Then another finger space. I had, what was the next word? A, that's right. And it's a lowercase a. I had a, what did we say I had? A waffle. Let's clap out waffle. Waffle. It has two parts. So let's make sure we write all those parts. So let's start with wa first. All right, so wa. What do we hear? Wa. I hear a W, yep. And then it sounds wa, Kind of sounds like an O, yeah. Wa. All right, so this is the second part. We did wa. Now we did full. Full. What do we hear? I hear an F, yep. And there has to be a vowel. Remember, every word part needs a vowel. So wa, full, What do we hear? You hear a U maybe? Waffle. What do you hear at the end? Full. Yes, I hear an L. Let's write an L. Good. I had a waffle. And you know what? Instead of a period, I love waffles. I'm going to put an exclamation point because waffles are delicious. And I feel excited about my waffle. Great. So let's read it. I had a waffle. That's exciting. Great job. I hope you wrote that just like that. If you need more time, you can hit pause and you can finish your sentence. But good job if you followed along with me. All right, let's go do our last thing of the day right here. We're going to do a story problem. You want me to do one about waffles? I did one about balls yesterday. Let's see if I can find waffles. We can make waffles yellow. All right, I'm just going to draw some squares for the waffles. So let's say Miss Thompson had two waffles. Had two waffles. Here's my waffles. Are you drawing your waffles? Follow along with me. You have to turn your paper over, turn it over on the back. All right, Miss Thompson had two waffles. So this is two. All right. And then Sammy, my little girl, she also had two waffles. Oh my gosh. She had two waffles just like me. So here's her two waffles. 1, 2. That's right, 2. Now, how many waffles did Miss Thompson and Sammy have? Figure it out. How many waffles did we have today all together? Did you say 4? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we had 4 waffles. So let's write our equation. So 2 plus 2. See if you can write that. 2 plus 2 equals, this is the equal symbol, 4. Let's write a 4. Great job. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 4 waffles. Delicious. All right, everybody. That was the end of our calendar lesson for today. Remember, there's some other things that you can watch today with your parents. There's a story time with Miss All, and there is a chicken egg update video that you can watch today too. Okay. I miss you guys very much, and we'll keep doing these lessons every day. All right. Hope you have a great day. Listen to your parents or your grandparents or whoever's taking care of you, and keep washing your hands. All right. Love you.